Welcome to Travel With Me YouTube channel and welcome to another YouTube video. Dubai Al Ghubaiba Metro Station is a station on the Dubai Metro's Green Line. It is located in the Bur Dubai area of Dubai, near the historic Al Ghubaiba bus station and ferry terminal. The station has two levels, with the concourse level providing access to the ticket vending machines, fare gates, and the platform level via elevators, escalators, and stairs. The station serves as a major transportation hub for commuters and tourists, with connections to buses, taxis, and water taxis available. Tourists may be attracted to the Careem bicycle service in Dubai because it provides an affordable and convenient way to explore the city's attractions and enjoy its pleasant weather. The bicycles are available at various locations throughout the city, making it easy for tourists to rent one and start their sightseeing adventure. Additionally, using a bicycle can be a fun and healthy way to explore the city, and it allows tourists to avoid traffic and parking hassles. Check the description box for more information. Al Ghubaiba Heritage Area. This is one of the oldest neighborhoods in the city and is known for its traditional architecture and cultural significance. The area is home to several landmarks and attractions that provide insight into Dubai's past. One of the most notable is the Al Shindaga Museum, which is housed in the former residence of Sheikh Saeed Al Maktoum, the former ruler of Dubai. The museum showcases the city's history and culture through interactive exhibits, artifacts, and photographs. Another notable attraction in the area is the Sheikh Obaid bin Thani House, which dates back to the early 20th century. The house has been restored to its original state and now serves as a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into the traditional Emirati way of life. In addition to these attractions, the Al Ghubaiba Heritage Area is also home to several traditional markets, such as the SOUQ Al Arsa and the Textile SOUQ, where visitors can purchase a variety of local goods and handicrafts. Please check my other video for Al Ghubaiba Marine Transport Station. You may find the link from description box.